Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying structural points and creating reference baselines so you know what to restore back to true. Remove the engine, suspension, and wiring to expose the entire rail. This saves time and prevents damage. Once clean, measure diagonals and mark damaged rails. This is critical because small offsets cause handling issues later. Use a level stand and clamps to hold the frame steady. Make your first cuts only on sections that are bent beyond repair, and label every piece you remove. You now straighten and rebuild. Heat localized bends, then use a hydraulic press or a frame straightening puller to realign rails back to your reference measurements. Once straight, weld in replacement plates or box sections on crushed or cracked areas. Full penetration welds restore strength, so set correct amperage and filler. After welding, add gussets and replace cross members to reintroduce torsional rigidity. Make sure to measure diagonals frequently. This confirms you retained factory geometry. You finish by grinding welds smooth, cleaning metal, and applying epoxy primer and seam sealer to prevent corrosion. This preserves your repairs. Reinstall engine, suspension, and wiring, then torque fasteners to factory specs and set suspension geometry to match your reference measurements. Once done, do a careful low-speed road test to sense any pull or vibration, then get a full alignment. If you notice frame flex, persistent noises, or uneven tire wear, stop. Recheck welds and measurements. Misalignment usually signals an uncorrected bend or weak weld.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.